So here's a couple of really nice frames of comb on mediums. I don't often use mediums. I mostly use all deeps, but foundationless. Nice brood comb. Another foundationless, beautiful brood comb. So here's another one. This isn't all that great, although it's got some big cell. I think I might have put a chunk of comb from removal in here. But anyways, it's all good comb. Most of it's foundationless. But this is one of these oddity things. It's got this weird comb over comb. What I'm going to do is I'll just cut out this section, put a popsicle stick in the top, and they'll draw it right out. I can't bear to waste. That's good worker brood comb there. So anyways, just cleaning things up and still nursing my bad shoulder, but that's all for today. Hope you're having a great evening.